Okay, this is one of my all-time favorite hotels. I've shown you guys the room before. It is really quite amazing. Where are you going, Jamie? You better, don't get locked out. I'm not letting you back in. And really nice little chair. But my favorite thing, the bed looks really cool. My favorite thing is the bathtub. Check out this thing. It is huge. It is absolutely huge. And when I'm not working this weekend, I'm going to be in the bathtub. Super nice. And it has a shower too. And the shower is pretty big as well. Shower looks good. Huge shower. Really nice. And then the view here is pretty darn cool.
You can see the ocean.
It's not the ocean, Jamie.
You said it was the ocean.
I didn't. I was tired. I said it's the ocean. Then I said
oh,
it's a lake.
look, you can see the ocean.
No, it's a lake. It's a huge lake. Whatever. But it's over there. I don't know if you can see the little sailboats, but there's little sailboats over there. See
and
them?
probably a whale and a dolphin.
Whatever. You're the one that said that there's a seal. I'm like, there's no.
What does it look like a seal?
There's no seals. There's no seals in freshwater. But this is such a cool view. Check it out. Awesome. So cool. And it's snowing in Chicago.
Yay.
Did I mention we're in Chicago? This is so pretty.
That's right. It's snowing. No bull. Chicago. Snow. Get it? No bull. Chicago.
Uh-huh.
Chicago. Yeah.
I wonder what that building is over there.
Wet from the snow. It looks like an amphitheater.
Oh, yeah, I guess it does, doesn't it?
But yeah. Oh, and everyone here was really sweet. The ladies that checked us in, they had a great sense of humor.
We
telling us
love
jokes.
this hotel. This is the third time that I've been back, and it's your second time here?
Second time here, and Aqua Blue in Chicago is phenomenal. All the staff are happy and friendly and supportive and helpful. You get treated like royalty. It's
yeah,
really
they're really good, and they like meet you with the water, and they're just amazing, and the rooms are incredible. I also really like these hardwood floors. It's just beautiful. Anyway, that's it. This is the Aqua Blue Radisson in Chicago, and we're here for the weekend. If you want to come join us, let me know.